yellow color and a different color which is blue A4 size sheet. Second thing, we need a scale, we need a scissor, we need a stapler, we need Fevicol, okay, and we need a thread and one more different color sheet. Okay, so what we are doing today, we are making a diya hanging, okay, paper diya hanging. So we are going to make 5 to 6 diya and we are going to hang it. Okay, we need A4 size sheet. I have taken blue color sheet, you can use any color. This is A4 size sheet of blue color. You can use pink, purple, green, any color which you like. Okay, please don't unmute your audios. Now next thing, we need to fold it into half. Now we need to cut it into two half. You can use scissor. I am using this cutter because I have cutter with me. I am using cutter. So you can see I have cut it into two parts. So kids, you need to use at least 8 strips. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. We need at least 8 strips. If you are not able to make 8 strips, you can use 3 also, sorry 6. 8 to 6. Now the next steps, we need to prepare this with the help of paper. I'll teach you how we can do this. So please see here how we are going to do. We need to fold it. You just need to fold it once from here. Okay, like this. Then second folding you need to do it from this part. This is how. Okay. Then third folding again from this part. Like we fold a fan, we need to fold it like this. Like this. Like a fan thing, we need to first fold it this side, second fold it that side. See, one side, then I'll move it like this and I'll fold it like this. Yeah, so this is how we need to fold the sheets. This is the one I have folded. Now I am going to fold the second one, okay? And I'm repeating it how we can fold it. So the first step for the folding, we just need to fold first part like this. Then second in this direction. So this is the third I have done till here. Anything? Okay, everyone, we need to fold it like this. We are done with 8 of this. Now I'll tell you what to do. See, everyone like this. You need to staple it here. Okay? Do the strip. Okay, everyone, yeah, like this you need to staple it here. Okay? This is how we need to staple everything. Okay, kids? Next step, kids, we are going to do. You need to hold it like this. You need to cut the up part like a triangle. Okay, like this. One. And then the second part like this. You need to make a V shape or you can say A shape here. Okay, on the top of it. I'll show you again like this. You need to cut it like this and this. This is how you all need to do it. Then you need to open it like this. One from here, see, like this, and other side from here like this. So both sides will be like this in the form of a diya. Okay, this will be like this. Okay, so after preparing this, kids, we are going to put it aside and now we'll prepare the flame. Okay, for the flame part we need a yellow color sheet. Okay, kids, take a yellow color sheet. Yes. Now we need to make square. So how we are going to make the square? With the help of scale, I am marking like 10 centimeter. Okay. 10 centimeter, and this is 10 centimeters. So I want to tell you square are always of like equal sides. So this is 10. If this is 10, the length should also be 10. So I'm marking 10 from here also, 10 from here also. 10 and 10. Yeah. So this is how we need to draw a straight line like this and a straight line like this. And from here also I'm going to mark 10. So I am marking 10 centimeter square. We need to cut square. Let me cut it as well. If you don't have yellow sheet, you can white or you can use any color. It's okay. But I have told you in the starting, we need yellow sheet for the flame part. If you are not having it, it's fine. So I am having 4 squares of 10 centimeter, if you will see here. Now I am going to put everyone together, all the squares together. Okay, you need to take all the squares. There are 4 squares I have cut. And now what I'm going to do, kids? I'm not done. Please wait. I'm waiting. Don't worry. We need 4 squares like this. Okay, kids? Take again one more A4 size sheet. And from one side, like from one of the corner, start doing this folding. Okay? Fold it like inside it. We need to make a thick strip, so that's why we are folding it like this. Just fold it like this. You will get a stick like this. Okay, like this you will get one stick. And you can paste it with the help of Fevicol, or you can staple it with the help of stapler. It's up to you. So let me show you. This will become a stick like this. If you fold a whole A4 size sheet, it will become a stick like this. Okay. So now I will tell you, after this stick and after the square thing, I think all have cut the square part. You just need sheet, collect all the whole square, and you can do it one by one also. Like one, you need to take one square and fold it half. It will become a triangle. One more time I'm doing it. See, this is a square. Fold it one time. This will become a triangle. It like this will become triangle. Now next thing, what do you need to do is, you just need to cut these triangle into half. After folding this, see, you can use scissor. I am using cutter. You will cut it. This will become 2 triangles. So 1 square is equal to, this is a 1 square. You can see, and after folding and cutting, this will become 2 triangles. After cutting this, again the same thing we are going to repeat. Fold it. We need to fold all the 8 parts. Like this you are going to fold it. Fold all the triangles. Yeah, this is how we need to do it. Now we need to see. For the first one, if this is the one, you just need to take it like this. Okay. Now divide it into half, equal half. Like you need to half it like this. Once you are going to do the half thing, you need to paste. Put Fevicol here and paste it. Let me show you how you can paste it with Fevicol. Yeah, so this is how, this is the half one. You just need to take Fevicol and now you just need to paste it. Like this you are going to paste it. This will become the flame of your diya. Like this everybody needs to fold it. Okay kids? Okay kids, next step. This is how we are going to second one. So you all can see how we need to paste the diya and everything. Now I will ask you all to show me your diya if you have pasted even one diya. Okay, let me see whether you all are able to do it or not. So this is how you do the diya part. Okay, this is how you need to paste it, and there is one stick which we have done with the A4 size sheet. Okay, like this. Now is the last step we need to do. The last step is, kids, you just need this strip, okay, which we have made with the paper, and you need a thread. There is one thread I'm going to use, and I'm paste this over one, and I'm going to paste three diyas over one thread. Okay, so this is the length I'm. Like this, we can tie it. Okay. Now I'm tying the second one. Like here. Driksha, do it little side, because in the center we are going to use three. In the center I'm going to use the third one. Fevicol, first just tie your threads like this. Okay, now the threads are like this here. Now here, see everyone, you need to use Fevicol. You can use even glue gun. Glue gun is much better to use, but I am using Fevicol right now, and you need to paste it over the thread. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. You just need to take out Fevicol and you need to paste it. That's it. See, this is how you just need to put a Fevicol, and then you need to take the thread and you just need to paste it. This is the stick. You need to use three thread, 1, 2, 3. Two are big, one is little small, and we need to paste diyas. You can make 6, you can make 5, you can make 8, you can make more. Okay? Can you all see here properly how this diya is looking? Let it be at one place. Let it be pasting. Okay? I think it's much clearer than the first one. I think you all are able to see it also. If you have another class, you can leave the meeting now. Okay? Do share your